Thank you. And now, I would like to welcome Executive Committee Member Professor Dr. Diwakar Goyal in conversation with Tripti Singhal Somani.
I am Dr. Diwakar Goyal. I am Chairman of Aero Academy of Aviation Science and Management and also ex-Executive Director with the Airports Authority of India and Director Indian Aviation Academy, Government of India. I am also advisory board member to many institutions in the country and abroad, and also a faculty for various subjects, aviation management, number of countries in Europe, South Asia and others. What makes me to speak and associate with women innovators? It's a very unique idea what Tripti has conceptualized, and I associated because it was my dream as Director Indian Aviation Academy to have an award, Best Air Hostess or Best Pilot Award for the women. What the award means, we are recognizing the women who have excelled in the field of various avocations, whether doctor, engineer, artist, dancer, pilot, nurses, doctors. I'm very happy that large number of disciplines have been taken by women innovators. I was also participating in the incubator talk where I could address about 200 NGOs who are associated with innovators to tell them about various ways and means how they can progress in their particular business, particular activity. It's a very pragmatic step what women innovator has taken, and it will go a long way, and in times to come it may go to a Guinness Book of World Record that in India we could do such a thing which is exemplary in nature, and the entire world should follow to see that women empowerment is not only talking and talking. Women is meriting that empowerment. Women is showing their worth in various avocations. As on date, there is no avocation where women have not excelled. And I am very happy. I congratulate the entire team of Tripti, the women innovator, for doing this very unique matter. In times to come, I think housewives are also going to be involved as a professional, because I am author of over 24 books which are available across the world. And I feel that working women is one thing in various occasions. Housewife is having multiple professions. So next time when we are doing it, we should include that category also. With all these words, I again compliment the entire team who have worked day and night to see that the women across the world are participating. Their 60 seconds video explains about that, and then the awardees, I am congratulating them. The getting award does not stop it. It should be encouragement and motivation to do further excel. Award is one kind of motivation, and one way it is an example for others to be awardee in the next sequence of awards coming. With these words, I thank the entire team of women innovators for doing this step, which will go further, making name proud our country and the women of India, South Asia and different countries also who are joining hands together. Thank you.